y'all, I'm Alex. Today we are going to be breaking down the tornado kick in 3 easy steps. Now let's get started. Alright guys, the only kick you will need to know before practicing this technique is going to be a roundhouse kick, which looks like this. Alright, now let's break down the tornado kick. So from your fighting stance, step number 1 is going to be doing the turn or a turning step motion, which looks like this. Your back leg is going to turn, step around. I would practice that way first. Once you get the hang of that, then you need to make sure that you're able to keep that foot that steps around off the ground. So it's going to look like this. You turn, keep it up off the ground. Now, step number 2, once you get around, you're going to do a jump switch motion, which is going to look like this. You turn, leave your foot up, jump switch motion, and land. That's going to be step number 2. Step number 3, super simple. Once you do that jump switch, all you're going to do is just extend your roundhouse kick out. So from here, turn, leave the foot up, jump switch, roundhouse kick. And that's your tornado kick in 3 simple steps. Enjoyed this video. Make sure to let me know what other kicks you would like to see me break down in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys later.